Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out STAYC Bubble MV. Now hold up and pause. Listen, quick reminder that STAYC is on a world tour, so go get your tickets. I'm gonna be there. I got my tickets. You go get your tickets too. Okay? That's a quick reminder. Anyways, back to the STAYC reaction. Let's go, Dre. We got STAYC Bubble. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. It's really been a minute, STAYC. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Ooh, what is this? Disneyland? It's the Bubble Land? What is this? Bubble Arcade? Oh, what is... Oh, it's funky. Are we caught? Oh. A-Y-C, go! Oh, it's messy as hell. Oh, she's doing ab workouts. Okay. It's a lot of commotion. Ringing round and round. I need something new. Oh, hella beat. Wait, why are they speaking? Hello, punch you like the 808, like Hawaiian punch? What the? Oh, they leaving the dorm? What we all want is circles. Nobody knows the future. Nobody knows. True. You're not wrong. Naggings. Wait. Naggings are bubble. Like pop all the naggings. Oh, they're going to Bubble Arcade. That's right. Naggings are bubble. This is hella retro vibes too, actually. Definitely has a summer vibe, even though we're almost done with summer. Almost like a new beginning. I can't say curiosity, I'm gonna try. What are these mustache drummers? Oh, look cute. Hey. Ooh, this kind of reminds me of like Daft Punk Around the World kind of setup. If you've seen like the live or music video for that. Whoa. Okay, outfit change. It's like a fairy tale, like a pop-up book. That's what it is. That's what I'm trying to think of. Why does this feel like a beginning of like a romantic comedy movie? You know, like homegirls getting like a brand new day of school at college, maybe freshman at college, and she's like, "We're gonna do this today." That's what it feels like. Oh, the eyebrows went with the bubbles. Ooh, what the? Ooh, hey. Okay, camera. Oh, the wink too.
That's me. So what?
So what? Wait, let me see.
That's me. So what?
The guy. Oh. Ooh. This feels like an ending to a High School Musical. Feel like it's an ending to like a good ending of a movie too. Oh, hey, we body rolling. Oh, even the feel of the music video feels like a little old school too. Hey, get it. Ooh, okay, outfits. Oh, this is cute. STAYC's Bubble Arcade. Oh, that's cute how the text is. It's pretty fire. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of STAYC's Bubble MV. It definitely gives me very cheery vibes. Feel good type of music. You know, sometimes music videos could have a dark twist. Not dark twist, but like definitely a twist sometimes. Like a switch up. This is just constant happiness, just filling your ears with STAYC's vocals, and just the beat itself is just so happy. Like I said, it did sound like a beginning of a fresh new start kind of movie, or even like a good ending type of vibe. How did this music video make you feel? Put it in the comments down below. Again, y'all, I'll be at KCON LA Saturday at the Core Limited booth. I'll have my pre-sale early bird merch there. What do you guys think? Peach, please, how you doing? Listen, I only make things that I actually rock, and this is cute. Sometimes I just want a little peach. Thank you guys for always supporting. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.